Hey, welcome back. This is my steampunk blowgun design that I made in the previous video. It may look like a rifle, and you hold it like a rifle, but you actually use your lungs to fire the darts. The barrel bends up to your mouth while you aim it, and you load the darts through a breech like you would on some guns. I love how this turned out. It looks pretty wild, and I can't believe how powerful it is. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I'm going to leave it there for now. Don't forget to watch the next video coming very soon where I make an anti-gravity mag drop. It's freaking awesome. Well, thanks for watching, and I have many other videos to come with a wide range of ideas and inventions, so please consider subscribing. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. Ciao for now.